Okay, so this is our back camera here that I got, and this is wireless, and you can see it's working pretty good. There's no real way I can get this shot without reflections, okay? But you can see it's seeing the road behind me. You can turn it on and off when I'm actually driving, and leaving it on as a rear view mirror. But there is one up here. This is in a 2007 Pontiac Torrent. This is like a almost 19-year-old car, or soon will be a 19-year-old car. So it doesn't have automatic shut-off, so you have to be a little careful with that. I did have some issues with you see in the right-hand corner, the battery component there to the back to the solar-powered camera portion was not charging all the way. Couldn't figure out why, never did. I just all of a sudden it started working right. I did write the manufacturer on Amazon. They did not reply. I asked them a number of questions because there's a second solar panel you can also buy for this. That they did not reply to that either. So tech support, I'd say, is terrible. However, the unit works. This is Wi-Fi. You're seeing it in real time. You see that there's a little bit of delay here. I'm bouncing up and down on the road here. Sorry about that. But as you can see, that's pretty cool. Not bad at all. Very good quality, high quality picture. Wi-Fi. All I had to do was wire it down to get voltage and which you can get from a cigarette lighter. But you got to make sure if you have an older car, which most of these are going to go into, you need to take that out or get this unit right here, which I'll do a review on, which is a great unit that automatically turns itself off when it no longer senses that it's at 14.5 volts. That means your alternator's working, and when it goes down to below, let's say 13 volts, however you set it, it'll say, oh, your alternator's not working, that means your engine's not working, therefore it's not charging, let me shut down this entire system. And there it is. I can tell the car's got a good distance from it. But anyway, that's the combo I got. You don't need to get that combo, but this is on the Wi-Fi itself. A Wi-Fi camera.
plug and play, plugged it in and works perfect. There's the truck, the camper. And the backup camera. Works awesome. Thank you.
I'm very impressed by this camera system. I have it with my Android car stereo, and the camera clarity is very well, and the magnets on the camera are really strong, and the distance you can get about 50 feet away or more, and it still works great. Love this item. Definitely recommend it.
Brachiosaurus or a Brontosaurus. That's number 4. Two little ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Back up.